subscribe to Mr. Tech and enable the bell icon to get our new videos as notification for you. Today we have got Redmi Note 9 phone, so let's unbox it. After taking from the box, we get a small box like this, and it's for the TPU case and the SIM ejector tool. And let's open it. After opening it, we get this TPU case, and it's a dark tone case. Yeah, we get something like this as a booklet, and this is a dark color, and we get light color for other variants like Arctic White and Scarlet Red. And now let's take the phone. And let's take the phone from it. It's actually a very beautiful color. It's called the shadow black color. And yeah, it's very shiny, and actually we don't get a tempered glass with it, so we have to purchase it separately. And let's insert the case. Yeah, and it's a bit tight, but the quality of the case is also good, and after applying the case it's decent. And yeah, it gets a cover like this, and the phone is actually a very good phone, and actually I use this phone as my personal phone. And we get this SIM ejector too. Let's take it out. Yeah, it's a decent quality. We get USB Type-C with it, and we get a 22.5 watt charging brick. But this phone doesn't support 22.5 watt charging, it only supports 18 watt charging. And I even use the same phone in a different color, Arctic White. It's also a beautiful one, and I will also recommend you to buy this one. Actually, this is a very nice phone. Now let's take a look at the pictures captured in a Redmi Note 9 phone. Actually, these photos are good, but it doesn't deliver the performance of that 48 megapixel camera we actually experienced. But the portrait mode is very good. As we take photos in portrait mode, it's actually very nice, and I will recommend you to buy this phone at Flipkart in 10,999. Thanks for watching till to the end, and also like and subscribe to my channel, and also share this video to your friends.